Meaning to all. So here, when the 2 points are be given, now you can find equation of a line. Equation. So when the 2 points are be given, what is the form of equation of a line? Y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. Clear? So here 2 points are be given. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then now identify these 2 points. The first point A, x1, y1, and that point are the 2 points are be given here. So x2, y2. So before that one, we have to find the value of m. So what is the form of m? M is equal to the difference between of the y coordinates and the difference between of the x coordinates. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here y2 value minus 5, y1 value minus 13 by x2 minus x1. What is the value of x2 here? 6. x1 value minus 3. So 6 plus 3. Clear? Minus 5 minus 13. How much the answer? So minus 5 is added to minus 13. Minus 18 by 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 cancellation upon 2. So that is equal to minus 2. Now you have to find m value. So what is the form of when the 2 points are be given equation of a line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is the value of y1? 13 is equal to, what is the value of m here? Minus 2 into x minus x1. X minus x1. Here minus 3, here minus 1 minus plus 3. Clear friends? Now, what is the answer here? Y minus 13 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. So here y minus 13 is equal to minus 2x minus 6. Now you can write equation form of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This one is the equation of a line. So here minus 2x be here, minus 2x into LHS, 2x plus y minus 13 minus 6 also send to right left side, 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have simplification of this line. 2x plus y minus 13 plus 6 minus 7 is equal to 0. So when the equation of a line y is equal to should be right. This one is the coordinate of the plan. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. This is the answer of equation of a line. Okay. Once again I will tell to you this one. A value minus 330, B value 6 minus 15. So find the equation of a line. So this one is the general formula of equation of a line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So first we can find the value of m. So what is the form of m? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Clear? So what is the value of y2 value? Minus 5. y1 value here minus 3. Minus 7 minus plus the y1 minus 13. y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 13. x2 minus x1 6 plus 3. Clear? So minus 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 18. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So we can cancellation. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9. We can cancellation minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2. Okay? Then now you can go on that substituting the values. y minus y1 value 30, y minus 30 is equal to m value minus 2 into x minus x1 value minus 3. So minus 1 minus plus 3. Now should write the equation y minus 30 minus 2x minus into plus minus 6. So this one is the equation of a form of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So write 2x plus y minus 13 plus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 13 plus 6. So minus 13, we should be adding plus 6. The result will get minus 7. So y is equal to minus 2x. So x value is the constant value, send them outside. So this one you can write y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of a line. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 7. Clear? Okay. Next you go on that one, another example. Another one. See. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Y is equal to minus x plus 8. These two lines are parallel lines. So can you say that in the parallel lines? Here m1 value. So y is equal to m1x plus c1. Y is equal to m2x plus c2. Here the slope of these two lines, m1 is equal to m2 is there. These two lines are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. So now we can find when the two lines are parallel, the distance we can find. What is the form of distance? Modulus of absolute value c1 minus c2 by root over 1 plus m square. Clear? This one is the form c1 minus c2 by root over 1 plus m square. So this one is the absolute value. That is equal to, in this equation, y is equal to minus x plus 2. So c1 is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus x plus 8. c2 is equal to 8. Here when the two lines are be given, what is the m1 value, m2 value here be equal. So m is equal to minus 1. Now substitute these values formula. Distance between the formula, distance of the parallel line c1 minus c2 by 1 plus m square. So modulus of c1 minus c2, that means 2 minus 8 by root over 1 plus m square. M square, what is the value of m here? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square. That is equal to modulus of minus 6 by here plus 2 minus 8. So we will do that the subtraction. What will we get? Minus 6. Square root of 1 minus 1 whole square means plus 1. So what is the answer here? Modulus of 6 by root 2. So here the denominator we having the irrational number. So any time, any place, the denominator doesn't have the irrational number. So then what we can do? So whatever the irrational number are there here, 6 by root 2 are there. So the modulus are be there. In the modulus absolute value of is the negative value is there. We can go on that in the positive. Can go on that in the positive value. So 6 by root 2. So what is the irrational number here? Root 2. So we should conjugate of that in the denominator. Root 2 by root 2. 6 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 value 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 upon 3. So the result will get the 3 root 2. 3 root 2. So the distance between of it when the two parallel lines, these two parallel lines like in the formation of y is equal to m1x plus c1, y is equal to m2x plus c2. So when we can observe that one, when the value of m here both are be equal, then the two lines are parallel. So what is the distance between of the parallel line formula? Modulus of c1 minus c2 by root over 1 plus m square. So substitute all the values. What is the C1 value here? 2. C2 value 8 by root over 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square value minus 1 whole square. So minus 6. 2 minus 6 equal minus 6. Root over 1 plus 1 root 2. So the denominator doesn't have the irrational number. So what we can do? We can observe that the conjugate of that in the denominator. So 6 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So it should multiply easy. 6 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 value 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. So the answer will get 3 root 2 square centimeter. That is the distance between of the when the two parallel lines are being given. Clear? Now one more go on that one. So A x1 y1, B x2 y2 are 2 points are being given. The distance between of these 2 points, what is the form? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between of a plane surface. Clear? So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Our problem what is that here? x2 minus x1 whole square 4. 1 2 plus 1 2 1 2 1 x1 y1 x2 y2. See, once again we observe that in the problem root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A points, B points. See, these 2 points are the given. In our graph, A 4 minus 1, B 1 2 are these 2 points are be given. Now we can find distance between now these 2 points. See, x1 y1, x2 y2. What is the form? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute these 2 values. x2 minus x1 whole square 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the value here? y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 value 2 minus into minus plus 1. So square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 2 plus 1 3 whole square. That is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. 3 square equal to 9. So what is the result here? Root 18. So root 18 will be divided into 2 parts. Here the product of the two irrational number 9 into 2. That means root 9 into root 2. So root 9 is equal to 3. So root 2 is the no perfect square. So what is the answer here? 3 root 2. Okay. Thank you again. See that first you learn that in the formulas, so then easy to substitute that values. Okay, thank you to all. Again, you have any doubt, you can send that in the message, I will be clarified. Thank you to all.